Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to activate Venmo. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and make sure that you updated the app or downloaded the app. And then what you're going to do next, you're going to just go ahead right here and open up your browser. And if you want to activate Venmo credit card, simply scan the QR code in front of your card using your mobile phone's camera or the QR code scanner in the Venmo app. Alternatively, you can enter your 3-digit CVV code within the Venmo app to activate. And if you would like, or if you would rather activate by phone, call Synchrony Bank at 855-890-6779. Okay, I repeat, 855-890-6779. All right, and then now you activated your Venmo credit card or your Venmo account. All right, you could, or if you want to deactivate the Venmo account only, download the app. You can see the option sign up with Facebook or sign up with email. Choose one. If you select Facebook, the app does the work for you. You only need one click to continue and give the app the proper permissions, and then basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we will definitely see you in the next one.